to build a recycling plant is needed by our society. So Clinic is actually a joint venture company of Veolia, which is a French company, and Toyota Tsusho and Kojima Sanyo. So they built one of the largest plastic recycling plants in Japan, accepting 40,000 tons of waste plastic annually and producing 72,000 tons of recycled raw materials.
It focused on a shared value of all stakeholders, and they controlled cost and schedule absolutely on point, and contributing to waste reduction by creating a planning plastic recycling plant factory. Congratulations to my home facility.
I think because you told us about your model using at your project, and I think it's very similar to what you're using here in Germany and in Europe, I would say. And the approach is that we actually put together a digital twin of the project from different components. So we have the cost estimate, as you also told us, should be one you can validate. It's important to use figures that show also the importance of the time-related cost. And you put it together with a model of schedule. So the schedule should be connected with the cost of the base cost. And the whole model actually combines together using a probabilistic approach. Probabilistic is important because you have to consider uncertainties in the project. And this is a prediction we deliver to our clients, to the owner of the project. So they can say, okay, I've got a range of cost and schedule. I can see how my budget or my target date actually is covered. So how high is the probability, for example, that my target date will be exceeded or not exceeded?
I can think of about 4 particular areas the judges enjoyed about your submission. The first one is just a simple fact that it was an alliance, very much working in alliance with your client alone being of several parties involved, grouping themselves together for a bigger goal and saying we want to achieve this. Secondly, obviously, the bigger goal being recycling of plastic and waste, and thinking of our globe, our earth, and protecting it and reducing the plastic waste, a very, very important goal. Then another 2 points. One was we talked about cost and budget, we learned that. So the studies you did for this project were very impressive because you went quite into depth of how you track the cost, how you can do it better, how can you improve, and very analytical. And then finally, I think it's worth mentioning schedule, which again we heard earlier from the model, again where you achieved the outcome for the client, and again really 4 factors in total which make this award application absolutely a stunning one under the overall heading of overall project achievement. So well done to Maho, absolutely astonishing, and well done to the team.